6 reasons to take warm turmeric water in the morning. Turmeric is one of the most popular spices on the planet due to its characteristic color and taste, and most especially the numerous health benefits it offers. More and more people are discovering the perks of drinking warm turmeric in the morning. So should you follow suit? Only if you want to enjoy a long and active life. What makes the said beverage worthy of being an integral part of your mornings is the compound known as curcumin that is found abundantly in turmeric. Thousands of scientific investigations have been conducted on the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and so many other amazing properties of curcumin, and each one of those studies found out that curcumin is indeed capable of so many incredible health benefits, from improving digestion to fighting off cancer. Prior to tackling all of the astonishing reasons for you to sip a cup of warm turmeric tea at the start of your day, let us first learn how to make a serving of this beverage. All you have to do is carefully pour warm water in a cup and dissolve half a teaspoon of turmeric in it. You're done. While consuming this healthy drink, always stir because turmeric powder tends to settle at the bottom. Remember to consume everything while it's still warm. More importantly, drink your cup of warm turmeric tea before consuming your oatmeal, toast or any other breakfast staple of yours. Don't like the taste? Don't come looking for a different beverage to drink. That's because you may simply add a teaspoon of honey in it. Just remember to opt for raw and organic honey to make sure that what you are drinking is super healthy. Now that you know how to whip up a cup of warm turmeric tea, let us now discuss some of the most impressive reasons why you should make drinking the said beverage a part of your morning routine. 1. It lowers your risk of heart disease. There are a couple of reasons why a cup of warm turmeric tea every morning may help keep your cardiovascular system in an optimum shape. First, its antioxidant properties help prevent the formation of plaque and cholesterol in the arteries, something that could cause high blood pressure. Second, the beverage helps stave off the formation of blood clots that could impede circulation and lead to heart attack and stroke. 2. Warm turmeric water relieves painful and swollen joints. Suffering from arthritis? Consume a cup of warm turmeric tea every morning to keep the joints pain and inflammation free. What's so nice about the said beverage is it works just as effectively as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs based on a 2012 study, but without the risks and side effects associated with the intake of the said drugs. 3. The healthy drink promotes good digestion. According to a study conducted on turmeric, the spice is capable of enhancing the production of bile. Such results in better digestion, something that helps improve the body's ability to assimilate nutrients found in the foods you consume. 4. Sipping the beverage protects the liver from damage. Your liver is an organ that helps neutralize toxins in the body. Sadly, in these day and age, the liver is highly susceptible to damage due to being overworked. It's been found out by scientists that curcumin in turmeric not only helps protect the liver from damage, but also encourage the regeneration of liver tissue. This is the reason why a cup of warm turmeric water every morning can help in keeping your liver stay in tip-top shape. 5. Consuming it may help lower your cancer risk. Earlier, we discussed that curcumin has amazing antioxidant properties. One of the many functions of antioxidants is deactivating unstable molecules called free radicals before they damage healthy cells and cause mutation. It's exactly due to this why the intake of warm turmeric water as well as dishes with turmeric in them can help considerably lower your risk of suffering from cancer, which can be deadly if not detected and treated right away. 6. It helps curtail inflammation that's linked to various diseases. Cancer, diabetes, arthritis, osteoporosis, heart disease, these and so many other scary health problems are associated with inflammation. In other words, controlling inflammation may help significantly lower your chances of suffering from one or many of the said diseases. A way to keep inflammation at bay is by drinking warm turmeric water first thing in the morning because of its amazing anti-inflammatory properties.